DARBAR has been open since 1994. We've been there on Main Street since then. We just moved here in October. It's been a great change for all of us. We're able to stick to our roots, but also expand in our menu to make Indian food fun. That's really our goal and our mission. We've been able to introduce some great menu items like Indian pizza. Indian pizza is great because it has naan dough, which everyone loves, with our famous tikka sauce, mozzarella cheese, and that really has gone viral, and it's been a big hit in the community. People have driven hours or more to get the pizza, so it's really cool to see and something that we all have fallen in love with. So after that, we've been able to introduce some other cool items like Indian tacos, and that has been really popular as well. And that's what we're trying to do. We've been, really big in the Branford community, obviously, for a very long time. So when COVID hit, it posed some challenges, and we knew the choice was not to move out of Branford, but we couldn't be happier with the move. We like to see our customers every day and have them try all of our great dishes and spend time with us, whether it's dinner or lunch, time on our great new patio that we've opened up. My dad, the pizza was all him. He's a life force of DARBAR. His passion is contagious, and we wouldn't be where we are today without him, and it's inspiring. That makes all of us work harder to kind of create what is DARBAR today.